Hey everyone, Michael Introvertolo here, Director of Marketing at Solution Systems, and I've got some really exciting news to share. Solution Systems is teaming up with Western Computer. So, what does that mean for you? Well, first off, nothing's changing in how you work with us. You'll still have the same great SSI team, the same great service, and the pricing that you're used to. But now, we've got even more ways to help your business grow. We can now offer advanced support for Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer engagement, things like sales and field service. We've also expanded our Microsoft Power Platform offerings. So we can help you with Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power Pages. And if you're in a specialized industry like remanufacturing, home building, or wine and spirits, we've even got new tailored solutions just for you. So if you've got big growth plans, and you're looking beyond Business Central, we can now help with enterprise level ERP solutions through Dynamics Finance and Supply Chain Management. And one of the best parts, you won't need to switch partners to do it. We've even added new managed IT services to help you better manage and protect your tech. And here's another cool part. Together with Western Computer, we are now a Microsoft Inner Circle partner. That means faster access to top Microsoft support, early looks at new features, and a direct line for us to share your feedback. It's a huge step forward, and honestly, this is just the beginning. If you want to learn more, just click the link in the description.